So far we have seen the theory part. To understand the theory part, we have to do some numerical. Let us do some simple numerical. What is the work done in taking an alpha particle? So he is asking work done, alpha particle is equal to positive charge. Alpha is a positive charge having 2 electron. So is equal to 2 into charge of electron in 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So alpha particle, this is the charge. Charge is equal to alpha particle. So Q is equal to this much, which is equal to, okay, alpha particle from whose potential? Potential is given as potential is equal to plus 10 volt. Already we have discussed, that is potential is equal to work done in bringing. See, potential means what? From infinity, this is a positive charge. So the force, because this is a positive charge, alpha particle in bringing up to this point, that is point P. So work is done by us, that is work is done by us in bringing the alpha particle from infinity up to this point, that is we call it as a potential. Work done in bringing a charge of 2 alpha particle, charge consisting of 2 alpha particle, that is we call it as a potential at this point. Okay, now this may be plus or negative, and this may be plus or negative, because work done is a scalar. It may be positive or it may be negative. Charge is may be positive or negative. So we have to put proper sign in calculating the potential. So this is potential. The combination will make the potential as a positive or negative. So potential may be positive or negative. So remember, this is a scalar, this is a scalar. Scalar divided by scalar is another scalar. Another scalar means potential is a scalar. Scalar means it may be a number, may be positive number or negative number. Right. Now let us see what is charge. Now we calculate potential. So now from here, work done is equal to potential into charge. From this expression, potential into charge. What is potential? Work done. He is asking work done. Work done in taking alpha particle from infinity up to here. So this is the work done by the electric field on the alpha particle. This is work done by us, that is by external agent in this direction. Both are in the opposite direction, mind it. So work done is equal to potential. It means we are finding from here to here. In taking an alpha particle from infinity up to this point, this work done we are going to calculate it. So work W into Q. Q is equal to W into Q, or V is equal to plus 10 into Q. Q, how much is, what is the Q? 2 plus 2 electrons. Alpha particle is a positive particle having 2 electrons. So this will be also 2 into charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So the work done is in joule. So you will have confusion. What joule? So work done is equal to force into distance is equal to Newton into meter. So the work done is converted into equal amount of energy. Work energy is how much work we are doing, it is converted into equal amount of energy. That is work energy theorem, work power energy in class 11. So Newton meter unit of energy. So both the units are same. This is mechanical unit for work. This is heat unit for the work done. So we can write it as joule or we can write Newton meter. Both the way we can write. And also 1 joule. 1 joule, how much? 1 electron volt. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So how to remember this? Simple. Put the value of magnitude of the value of the electron. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. So our 1 joule, how much? 1 joule is equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus joule electron volt. Okay, so this is equal to how much it comes? 10 into 2 20 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So work done, if you calculate in electron volt, so 1 joule this much, so this we can write it as 1 joule this much, and this can be 20 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1 joule. 1 joule is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volts. So this is equal to 20 electron volt. We can write both this way. If the answer is given competition examination, you can write answer may be given this fashion also, 2 into 1.6, which is equal to 2 into 1.6, 3.2, that is 32 into 10 to the power minus 19 in joules. This is also okay, and this is also okay. This much amount of the work done. What is the type of work done? Positive work done. This work done is positive. What is work done by the electric field in this direction is equal to negative of work done is equal to work done by the external agency is equal to minus 20 electron volt. See, always you must do problems so that you can understand the theory very nicely. Just simply reading theory you may not be able to understand, but do some numerical which is helpful with the basics. You can go for the competition as well as board also.